making breakfast and pizza. But I'm gonna make a breakfast pizza. Holly wants a regular pizza. So I'm not gonna show you the dough recipe. This is just based off of Adam Ragusea's. Looks like our bacon's done. Let's look at that bacon. Oh yeah. Nice and crispy, just like someone asked for. But first, gotta wait for that to cool off. Oh shoot. So we have our oven at 400. Pizza likes to cook a little hotter. But we have pizza stones sitting in there while I cook this bacon. Now you saw the bacon, but I'll show you the rest. Magic dough. Dough's done. Some cheese from last night, or from the chicken parm. Jalapenos and some vegetarian sausage. It's actually quite good. That's for one pizza. That's going to be our red pizza. Our ham. And one last ingredient. Eggs. Whatever kind of eggs you can get. I'm going to do eggs and cheese, and I'll show you that in just a second. This was requested. Crispy bacon. Let's hear that. That's so good. That's for you, super. What was that you said?
Add pepper.
Okay. I added a splash of milk in here. Oh, this is salt. Salt will work too. Just a little salt for your eggs. Shut up. I do what I want. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, splash of milk. This is 3 eggs. This is what we're making the base out of. But also you need some cheese, just so it sticks together a little better. It's about 3 ounces there. I might add a little more. This is just a binder. We're going to put cheese on top, but we're going to have cheese in the middle of our sauce too. I like a little basil, fresh basil if I had it, but unfortunately I don't. So I'm just going to use like some dried basil. It doesn't look like it should stick pretty good. Our oven's at 500. So yeah, that looks good. We're going to rock that. Ground basil, so I'm just going to use a little oregano. Not much. Oregano packs a lot of punch in eggs. And as usual, just a little garlic. That's about a teaspoon or so. We'll give that another stir. We don't even have to use our fancy pogo whisk here. We'll just kind of do this with it. Just to get it mixed up. And then this and our ham and bacon goes onto our pizza.
Red pepper flakes.
I don't want red pepper flakes, but thanks for the idea. We have our dough with a little bit of flour onto it. We're going to get our hands a little padded with flour. And we're just going to stretch this guy out. Stretch it out as far as I can, just like my pizza thin. I know most people would be like, well, why aren't you using a roller? Well, I don't care. Rollers are a pain in the ass. This usually works pretty good. You can see, well, you can't see, but I can see it's really thin on the bottom here. And then I'm just going to begin to do this on the outside. Kind of make it to where we know where our boundaries of egg is going to go. All the way around, just give it a little bit of a roll. I know some of you know how to roll a lot better than me. No joke. Yeah, I'm not that good. Right here we can see a little bit of aluminum foil. We're just going to patch that over. Patch that over. That way we're not messing that up. Hand me the eggs, Holly.
Do you need a brush?
I need a spoon. Actually, I use this as a spoon. This is kind of a spoon. So we're just going to spoon this on here and see what it starts to look like. And that's looking about 3 eggs for this little tiny pizza is looking about exactly right. I'm going to cook this in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes at 500 on a pizza stone. And let's see. They hand me the ham over there. I'm just going to dump it all out and spread it out. Looks like 3 eggs was just about right. 3 large eggs, that was. Always got our ham. Let's see. Put our ham in there. I don't know if we're going to use all of it. I think we're just going to use about. Just want a piece of ham everywhere, not out of control. That's good. Now we're going to get some bacon on here.
Sure that bell pepper.
Huh?
Sure that bell pepper for us.
The bell pepper would have been good.
We have a bell pepper.
Alright, 80. We're going to audible and put a bell pepper on here real quick. Hold on, leave it on. Got to show the distribution of crispy bacon and ham. I like my pieces a little random. I need one more piece of bacon. Some for me. And that's about right. The rest of our bacon we'll use for BLTs later. Here's our little bit of bell pepper. That way we don't completely die of a heart attack this morning. You don't know what's funny? You see how good this is going to be? Holly don't even eat this, do you?
I eat the bell peppers and the eggs.
Me too. And everything else. And now, if you thought that was it for cheese, you're wrong. We're going to massacre this thing. More cheese. We don't even want to see really anything. We can see the meat and the green poking through. What I don't want to see is egg. Because the egg is going to rise as it cooks. So we're going to need extra cheese to cover our surface. And for a little bit of extra prettiness at the end, we put our basil or oregano or whatever you got. Just doing oregano because I can't find my basil. And Holly said red pepper flakes. You know, red pepper flakes are pretty. So, where's the red pepper flakes? I don't see them.
We have them.
I'll just grab them from here. Oh, there.
Do you want me to find them?
I found them. A little bit of red pepper flakes. Now, not everybody has a fancy pizza paddle, so I'm going to show you what I use for a pizza paddle. This guy, a normal cooking pan. And you just take it. We show them how I'm doing this. Grab the camera and show it. Just fix it. And just show them this right here. Now watch. From the table, just gonna pull. Oh shit! If our aluminum foil doesn't want to cooperate, we might be fucked. Usually, you just pull this. Shit. We're gonna do it the other way. We're gonna do it. Come up from under it. We only only lost a little bit. But we can fix that. Put some more cheese. Might be a little messy looking when it comes out, but that's okay. Then into the oven it goes. Oh shit, I need to move the pizzas down. Technical difficulties happen sometimes. And you know that pizza stone's super duper duper hot. This is our finished product. I can't really show you. The ham and the bacon. We got one side dark, one side light, but it's all eggy, cheesy, bacony breakfast. Goodness. I'll try a bite here in a little bit. I'm gonna let it rest for about maybe 5-10 minutes because if I cut it, it might just fall apart. So it's gonna finish cooking internally here, and I'm gonna throw Holly's in the oven now. So my dough recipe again is based off of Adam Ragusea's pizza making video. If you ever want a good video, honestly, go check it out. It's a great dough. It's my favorite that I've found so far, and I'm not gonna claim the recipe as my own. I'll just claim what I did with the dough as my own. So this is from a memory of being a child, at 8 years old, upstate New York bowling alley. We would have these breakfast pizzas. I haven't had one in forever. I tried to recreate it from memory, because you know, sense is like, the smell is your strongest sense of memory. So I tried to remember the smell, and then I tried to apply it here. Cool little pizza cutter Holly got for me. I'm gonna show you how it works. So you just kind of take this thing, just push really hard all the way across, and it should cut it generally. Sometimes you have to do it a couple times. And then one last one across here. You do have to push rather hard, but and usually you get to pull off at the ends, but it's cooked and it's cut. I like the burnt pieces, so I'm going to get one from over here and try it out for you. Oh, come on. There we go. It's at the bottom. Done. It's good, eggy, bacony. Just bringing it back. It's really good. This is Holly's pizza's done. It's got some vegetarian sausage, bell peppers, and jalapenos. And this is what's left of the breakfast pizza. This shit is dope. It's fire. It's delicious. Hers is good too, though. I know it's gonna be good. So that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and try it yourself. It's really easy to make, honestly. It's delicious.